Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, this is like my eighth time I'm saying this. Like, I know it's been a long fucking time. I know it's been 2 months कि मैंने कुछ post नहीं किया है, but please, I was really busy. I was really busy with my personal life as well as professional life. वैसे तो दोनों ही कुछ खास नहीं चल रही, but recently been shifted to a new place, so I was like having a lot of breakdowns. I decided to move out. तो अभी मैं shift हुआ हूँ recently. It's been like a month, I think. Yeah, it's been like a month, but yeah, I've been like on and off. घर फिर यहाँ फिर घर फिर यहाँ. मुझे यहाँ पे टाइम भी नहीं मिल पा रहा कुछ करने का. It's like I'm like way too busy these days. You know, जब मैंने यहाँ shift किया था तो I thought I'm gonna be like Aisha from, you know, Wake Up Sid. And I'm like, तो मैं और 2 कप चाय, but bitch, I don't even have time to make chai these days. So it's kind of tough, but I am kind of enjoying these things. I am loving it here. I like being alone. So yeah, that's it. So in today's video I am gonna talk about things I am currently obsessed with, and not like obsessed, but yeah, they make my life easier. So yes, I'm gonna share all of those with you, and please keep on watching.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So first thing first is this house. I am obsessed with this house. Not like obsessed, it's a cute little place. I like living alone, making my own food. I like purchasing grocery for me. I like buying vegetables for, you know, food and all. I like everything about being independent. So that's why I rented this place and I am currently obsessed with it. Personally, I think लोगों को अपनी लाइफ में अकेले एक बार तो रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि यार बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलता है. ट्रस्ट मी, आई वॉज अ complete spoiled bitch. Not like spoil. I'm a very grateful bitch. I'm a very grateful person. But जब से मैंने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करा है, I know the cost of fucking things, bitch. I know the cost of living alone and cost of, you know, running a household. Even though it's me only, but yeah, मुझे सीखने मिल रही चीज़ है. अब मुझे पता चल रहा है कि how to cook shit, how to make rice, how to gundo the atta, how to make sabzi, how to make dal, how to wash clothes. So yeah, I am obsessed with this house. I am obsessed with this. It's a tumbler. I have seen these a lot in influencers videos. I was like कि इससे क्या ही होने वाला है, कि मतलब personally I don't drink water. Like, I don't like the taste of water. I'm just drinking it for the sake of being alive. बस. And I usually मैं पहले पीता था बस 1 या 2 ग्लास पानी पूरे दिन में. But now, girl, जब से मैंने लिया है, it's like 1.2 liter. Bitch, what was I doing? So it's like 1.2 liter, right? तो मैं ये 3 तो फिनिश कर ही देता हूँ पूरे दिन में, 3 या 4. तो my water intake is skyrocketing. इसमें ये भी है कि if you are putting cold water in it, तो ये बहुत टाइम तक, मतलब सुबह तक तो कोल्ड रहता ही है. हॉट का मैंने भी ट्राई नहीं किया. मे बी इन विंटर. कहाँ पे? अमेज़ॉन पे मैंने ही देखा था. तो अमेज़ॉन पे तो it was like way too expensive. It was like for 1500, but I bought it from Meesho. There was a sale. तो मैंने तब लिया था, तो I got it for like 800, I think. I'm gonna mention the link in the description below. If anything is promoting you to drink more water, then just do it. Water is like good for everything. If you want a good skin, water. If you want a fucking day, if you want like good health, drink water. If you want a good hair, drink water. If you want a good future, just drink water. Like, water is everything. So just stay hydrated. All I'm saying. इसके बिना भी तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, good for you, bitch. I am obsessed with is this shit. I am fucking obsessed. Girl, what was this? Like, नाक से कैसे आवाज आएगा? I am currently obsessed with this shit. It's Kia peri peri, or you can call it like piri piri or peri peri. I don't give a fuck. So yeah, I am currently obsessed with it. This is peri peri masala from Kea. Oh my god, this shit makes everything so good, so spicy. It's like very spicy, like spicy food a lot. अगर मुझे कहीं पे भी ऐसा फिक्का सा खाना मिलेगा, आई कैरी दिस एवरीवेयर. ये मेरे बैग में ही रहता है हमेशा. इफ़ आई एम इन अ कैफ़े और वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ मैं ऐसा ब्लेंड सा कुछ खाना मिल गया, आई यूज़ दिस, आई पुट दिस एंड यू नो रेडी टू गो. इट्स वेरी नाइस. लाइक जो आपको मैकडी में पेरी पेरी मिलता है, इट्स दैट. और ये इतना एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं है. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम ब्लैंकेट. Yeah, I got it for like 90 rupees and it's a fucking lot. Yeah, you can just try it by yourself, get it from Blinkit, and you know, तुम्हारी life change हो जाएगी. It's life changing product for me. Currently I'm obsessed with this fragrance. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's in the star variant. It's, if I have to describe this in a go, though I think it's a day to night scent. Like you can use it in a daytime, you can use it in a night time. If you want to smell a bougie, if you want to smell like a bougie bitch, if you want to smell like a luxury, get this. It's very nice. लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इतना नहीं है, बट आई थिंक बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स के और फ्रेग्रेंस से तो ये थोड़ा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. दिस वन एंड इन द नाइट वेरिएंट. येस, सो गेट दिस. इट्स वे टू नाइस. इफ यू वांट टू स्मेल लाइक अ बूजी बिच, कि मतलब पीपल गना टेक यू सीरियसली, then get this. I am currently obsessed with this face mask from Foxtail. It's skin radiance mask. I emptied one of this in last month. ये मेरा second वो है tub and it's way too nice. Like जब भी you know, I have this habit of not doing my skincare every day. When I feel like you know just pampering my skin, I use this. It's a Foxtail skin radiance mask. इट्स लाइक वेरी लाइलैक इन कलर विच आई लाइक. इसको लगाने के बाद स्किन लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो इसको लगाने के बाद स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो जाती है. ऑल्सो आई एम obsessed with being alone. You know, this is a fucking controversial opinion. I don't think लोगों को अच्छा लगता है अकेले रहना. मतलब मुझे तो पर्सनली आई लाइक पर्सनली बीइंग अलोन. आई लाइक बीइंग अलोन. And before anyone say you're a fucking lonely bitch, no, there's a difference in being alone and lonely. Lonely is when you crave someone, you know, to be with you all the fucking time. And alone is, I think I think alone is when you feel content in yourself. Like जब तुम्हें कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, when you feel happy with being yourself. And lonely is when you just act like a sad fucking bitch and your life is fucking miserable. I'm not that bitch. I am, you know, I like being fucking alone. I don't want people to be in my business all the fucking time. So yes, I am currently obsessed with being alone. So I am again obsessed with Americano, black coffee, you know. It's so fucking hard to say things. मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले I stopped drinking black coffee. I don't know why. और मैंने स्टार्ट किया था मिल्क वाला कॉफ़ी. I lost myself. I completely lost myself. I lost my personality. I lost myself. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या बन चुका हूँ. Like I was at a very bad place. So I started drinking black coffee again, and now I am the baddest fucking bitch, you know, again. So I discovered black coffee again. तो यही मेरा point था कि I am obsessed with coffee right now. वो भी black coffee. You know, milk coffee. Whoever drink milk coffee, okay, do you. You do you, Miss Thing. You do you, girl. I like black coffee. And जब मैंने white coffee, जब मैंने milk coffee start किया था बीच में, I don't know why, मुझे क्या हो गया था. I think I was fucking out of my mind. तो मैंने start किया था. उसके बाद से I was not myself. I was feeling miserable. I was, you know, lost. I lost my spark. I lost my personality. I was, you know, just basic उस टाइम पे. But now I found myself and I am fucking excited to rule this fucking world. Yes. Also, I am obsessed with a power bank. मुझे I am obsessed with a power bank. I don't know. It's from Urban. It's from a company called Urban. It's 20,000 mph, mAh, whatever. 20,000 वाला 20,000 not rupees, like 20,000 जो होता है mph whatever battery life उसका वो है. I am obsessed with it. Like I am the person. मैं वो उनमें से आता हूँ कि मतलब मैं अपना फ़ोन चार्ज कभी नहीं करता. वेंट हिमाचल एक टाइम पे जब वो वाला बस नहीं होता है जिनमें बिना चार्जर के होता है, एंड माई फ़ोन वॉज एट 13% एंड आई वेंट फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू हिमाचल विदाउट केयरिंग अबाउट एनी थिंग. सो आई नीड दिस शिट. ये मैंने लास्ट पता नहीं कब चार्ज किया था. इसमें मैंने 3 बार फ़ोन चार्ज कर लिया और इसमें अभी भी 3 डॉट्स वाला रह चुका है. 3 डॉट्स लेफ्ट है अभी भी इसमें भी. तो गेट दिस, आई मीन इट्स फकिंग अमेजिंग. सो अभी मुझे ये सोचना नहीं पड़ता जाने से पहले कि मैं अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करूँ, ये करूँ. मैं इसको बस बैग में डालता हूँ ना, आई एम गुड टू गो. क्योंकि पहले तक मैं जहाँ पे चार्जिंग होता था मैं वहीं पे बैठा रहता था कैफ़े में भी कि क्या करूँ. एंड किसी भी कैफ़े में होता है वहाँ पे बालकनी होती है. I like to sit outside. I am a bitch who like to sit outside, who like to see the sky and fantasize the world. But just because मेरा फ़ोन चार्ज नहीं है मुझे अंदर एक चार्जिंग स्पॉट पे बैठना पड़ता है. It's so fucking hard. So I bought this portable charger and yes, my life is good again. So these were the things I think I am currently obsessed with. I like this bed sheet too. I bought it from Meesho a while back. It's cute. It's like for single bed, but it's very cute and very affordable. मैं इसका भी link नीचे दे दूँगा. I am obsessed with Big Boss. Not like obsessed, but I am watching it for the Kalesh. Splitsvilla खत्म होने के बाद मुझे लगा था मेरी life was like way too tough. But now Big Boss आ गया है. Not OTT वाला. I think OTT वाला वो लोग देखते हैं जिनकी personality नहीं होती और जो अपनी life से कुछ चाहते ही नहीं है. Like who just want to die. And OTT में आते भी वही लोग हैं जिनको कोई seriously नहीं लेता. So I am watching Big Boss and I am currently liking Karan Veer, Chum. I think Chum is like way too pretty and sweet. I am kind of like Chum. I resonate with her personality. I like being unbothered. I am very, quiet at times. I don't want people to be in my business. Like, please give me the fucking space. Also, Karan Veer. Also, I am liking Kashish because why not? I like Kashish क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा bold है, and I like bold people. I like people who make statement, who just don't say shit but they make statement. So I like people like that. I am obsessed with songs. The next song I like is Jhol. It's by Manu and Anural Khalid. It's the first time I'm seeing the name. It's the first time I'm seeing the name of these guys. But I am obsessed with the song. So yes, I've been playing this a lot. Also, I am obsessed with APT by Miss Rosie and Bruno fucking Mars, bitch. And the song is way too much. The song is very fun. It's very 80s, punk rock. It's very 80s punk rock and I love everything about that. I like punk rock and it's kind of nostalgic, and also the fact that it's on a drinking game is that makes it iconic, girl. And also the Bruno Mars in it. Miss Rosie is doing everything right. ऑल्सो आई लाइक मंत्रा फ्रॉम जेनीज मंत्रा. मैं जब भी मेट्रो में जाता हूँ ना एंड मुझे कहीं पे इंटरचेंज करना होता है तो आई प्ले दैट सॉन्ग एंड आई वॉक लाइक अ कंप्लीट बैरी गर्ल. सो येस, आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद मंत्रा. ऑल्सो आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद ब्रूनो मार्स एंड लेडी गागा's Die With A Smile. It's nice fucking song. It's like way too pretty. Yes, I am obsessed with that song. There's a song named Malang by Charan. I think it's a cute little song and I think आप लोगों को भी सुनना चाहिए. Yes, these are the songs I am obsessed with currently. So I hope आप लोगों की life काफ़ी easy हो चुकी होगी after मेरी life के बारे में जान के. I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope ये video आपको अच्छा लगे. If you do, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Give it a little cute comment and let me know what you want to see in next fucking videos. And don't comment like we want to see your pussy, because I might. Ooh, I don't, but whatever. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.